Yeah, so get yourself ready for this. I mean, it is already cold. The cold is here. The cold is
The
here.
cold is absolutely here.
And we're just waiting to see, how much snow are you going to get in your front yard?
Right. Well, the odds are you're going to see at least 2 inches, maybe 4 inches or more. That's something. By the way, the last time we had snow, at least in Houston proper itself, that was as heavy as what we expect was in 1960.
Whoa.
Yeah. And then the all-time record is 20 inches. But the big snow that we had Christmas Eve of 2004 was very heavy to the south of Houston, but it was a little bit less actually in Houston itself. So anyway, here's a look at our latest Futurecast model. And taking a look at the timing of everything, we're just going to see some cloud cover for most of the day today. We actually could start to see some precipitation, maybe some rain. Here's the bad thing. Here's my concern, honestly, that we see some light rain at 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. And then parts of the area start to, ice over. It's going to be in the 20s. And then a much higher chance for snow and or freezing rain and sleet begins after midnight, and then it's probably going to be just about all snow for the Houston area beginning tomorrow morning. Some of that may be in the form of ice initially near the coastline, changing over to some potentially heavy snow. The bottom line is it's just going to be not advisable at all to be on the roadways. It's going to be too dangerous. So here's a look at our Futurecast snowfall. The whole event here, we're looking for maybe 3, 4, and even 5 inches of snow across our area, which is just very rare. What's interesting, though, is that it's actually potentially going to be heavier out to our east into Louisiana, where they could pick up more than 6 inches of snow. It's 29 degrees right now in Houston at Bush Airport, 31 Hobby, barely above freezing for Galveston. But look at that, a hard freeze for Huntsville right now at 22 degrees with wind chills of between 15 and 25 across the area. We're under a cold weather advisory until noon today. You want to talk about wind chills? Get a load of this. Right now, Bismarck, North Dakota has a wind chill of minus 41, minus 28, the current wind chill in Minneapolis. I wanted to show you the extent of this winter storm. Winter storm warnings are in effect from San Antonio, Corpus Christi, Houston, back over to New Orleans and Mobile. In fact, even a winter storm watch in effect there over in the Florida Panhandle. So we're going to have a cold MLK Day, stuck in the 30s today. And then as I just showed you, the wintry precip starts late tonight, maybe as early as 10 p.m., but especially from midnight onward, a 100% chance for morning snow tomorrow. And then I also want you to be aware of some potential damage to pipes and things like that coming up on Wednesday morning with a low near 20.